Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Okay, let me give you some instructions about the Zoom classes, about the online classes. Kindly, all of you, turn off your cameras and mute your mics. If I will ask some question, then you will unmute your mic and on your cameras, okay? Now, open your English learning workbook. Open your English learning workbook. Arham, show me your book. Very good. Okay. So, now take out page number is 2. Page number 2, exercise B. Page number 2, exercise B. Look at the picture below. Look at the picture below and take the correct answer. सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोग को प्रीवियस थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ कि कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था. कल हमने पढ़ा था कि आपने जो वर्ड्स यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं जिसके एंड में ए एन डी लिखा हुआ है उसमें रेड कलर करना था. जिस वर्ड के एंड में ए टी लिखा हुआ था उसमें ग्रीन कलर करना था. और जिस वर्ड के एंड में ए डबल एल लिखा हुआ था उसमें ऑरेंज कलर करना था. Those who were not online yesterday, those who were not online yesterday, I am explaining it for them. Okay. Now, look at exercise B. Look at the picture below and take the correct answer. आप लोगों को यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ नज़र आ रही है? I can see the ball or hall. Ira? Yes, unmute your mic, Ira, and answer me. Sorry? जी 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 Ira, I can't hear you properly. Please say it once again. This one? बेटा यहाँ पर एंड में रेड है, एट में ग्रीन है एंड ए डबल एल में ऑरेंज है. अब समझ आ गई है आपको? ओके. नाउ लुक एट द एक्सरसाइज बी. आयरा, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी यहाँ पर क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको? What is this? You can see ball or hall? What you can see? We can see ball here. This is the picture of ball. So, tick on the first block, ball. Yes, Saharatik? Okay. Unmute your mic, Saharatik, if you want to ask question. Okay. Now take out page number 3. Take out page number 3. What you can see here? You can see a cat or a mat. Who will answer me? What you can see on this page? You can see a cat or a mat. Raise your hands if you know the answer. Muiz Ali. Yes, answer me. Unmute your mic, please. Muiz, what you can see? A cat or a mat? Hibba. Yes, it's cat. Hibba, answer me. Okay. Put a tick on the first block. This is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. Okay. Come to exercise C. Look at the picture below. Write their names in the correct boxes. Write down the date and day. There is some pictures on this page. Look at the pictures below. Write their names in the correct boxes. यहाँ पर आप लोग पिक्चर्स में देखिए कि यहाँ पे आपके पास पिक्चर्स किस चीज़ की हैं, उसके नेम्स आपने यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. अच्छा, आपके पास क्लूज भी हैं यहाँ पर. AT at, AND and, NALL all. Now my sound is clear. My sound is clear now. Tell me in the chat if my voice is not clear, okay? Now, the first picture is AT. इसके एंड में AT आता है. ये क्या होगा हमारे पास? Hat. What is this? This is hat. Now write in the first blank HAT, hat. HAT, hat. HAT, hat. Now my voice is clear now or not? Still not? Okay, wait. Okay, look at the pictures. Now the next thing is mat. You can see a mat here. Can you see a mat here? Write it down. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Done? Okay. Come to the next block. What you can see else in these pictures? Can you see a sand? Sand किसको बोलते हैं? रेत को. किसको बोलते हैं? रेत को बोलते हैं. Okay. Write sand. A and D already लिखा हुआ है आपके पास. These are the blending sounds. इसके साथ आपने क्या ऐड करना है? S. S-A-N-D, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Okay, Saharatik, do you want to ask question? Unmute your mic, Saharatik. Okay. Who will tell me the next word? I am going to hide it. Who will tell me the next word? Okay, Khizran Kazmi. Who is Khizran Kazmi? Okay. Answer me, what is the second word? Answer me, please. Muiz Ali, unmute your mic, please. And answer me. What is the second word? Okay, the next word is band. Can you see a band here? Band. Can you see जो हम हाथ में पहनते हैं? If my voice is not clear, then you can tell me, okay? The second thing is band. You can see a band here. Okay, write down with me. Okay, check your internet connection, please. B-A-N-D, band. Write down with me. B-A-N-D, band. Have you done, students? I will check it at the end, okay? Now come to the third block. अब आपने इन पिक्चर्स में ऐसे वर्ड्स देखने हैं जिनके एंड में A-double-L आता हो. Just like what you can see in this picture, you can see a ball. B-A-double-L, ball. And what else you can see in these pictures? What is this? This is? What is this? हमारी दीवार जो होती है वो ईंटों से बनी होती है, उसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? वॉल. क्या बोलते हैं हम? वॉल. राइट इट इन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक, वॉल. W-A-double-L, wall. Okay, Mohammed Wafiq, unmute your mic if you want to ask question. Mohammed Wafiq. अब मेरी आवाज क्लियर आ रही है आपको? Okay. Maha, do you want to ask question? Unmute your mic if you want to ask question. Okay, down your hands if you. The next is ball. What you can see in this picture? Ball. This is a ball. B-A-double-L, ball. Write down with me. B-A-double-L, ball. In the first blank, in the first block, वो वर्ड्स आप लोगों ने लिखने थे जिसके एंड में A-T आता हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग पिक्चर्स में देख सकते हैं हैट एंड मैट. नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक में वो वर्ड्स लिखने थे जिसके एंड में A-N-D आता हो. जस्ट लाइक सैंड, S-A-N-D, सैंड, एंड बैंड, B-A-N-D, बैंड. फिर थर्ड ब्लॉक में आपने वो वर्ड्स लिखने थे जिसके एंड में A-double-L आता हो. जस्ट लाइक वॉल एंड बॉल, B-A-double-L, ball, and W-A-double-L, wall. Okay, all of you show me your books now. Okay, Rumaisa Hamid, Laiba, Hafsa. Hafsa, Laiba, show me your books. Show me your books if you have done the exercise. Very good. Hafsa, show me your book. Hafsa. Show me. Very good. Excellent. Okay, all of you. Maaz, Hibba, Ariba Imran, Mohammed Wafiq, show me your books. All of you clap for yourself. Clap for yourself ना, थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी भी करनी चाहिए. Clap for yourself. Clapping करो हिबा. Very good. Okay. Now next, Mehmal Zara, Sakina Zara, Muhammad Mubashir and Fasiha. Show me your books. Very good. Excellent. All of you have done? Clap for yourself. Mubashir, that's really nice of you. Fasiha, clap for yourself. Okay. Sakina, have you done? Okay. Next, Saad, Saharatik, Muiz Ali, Huzaifa. Show me your books if you have done the exercise. Saad, Saharatik, Muiz Ali. Very good. Now clap for yourself. Okay. Next, students Shehbaz Ali, Aira Rahman, Awais Khan. Show me your books if you have done the exercise. Very good. Mehmal Zara. Okay, that's good. Masoon, Arham Ali, Maliha, Maha, Arham. Show me your books. Turn on your videos. Okay. Mamoona Ijaz, I can't see your videos right now. Okay. It was all about today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.